student. Today's we will discuss about the classification of matter on the basis of chemical composition. On the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into two types: pure substance, second is mixture. Pure substance may be elements and compound. Pure substances are always homogeneous, as we have already discussed in previous video. Elements and compounds. Element contain only one kind of particle, that can be atom or molecule. It is of three types: metal, non-metals and metalloids. Second is compound. Compound is formed by the combination of two or more atoms of different elements in a fixed ratio by mass. Means its ratio is fixed. Compounds are of two types: inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Organic compounds contain carbon and few other elements like hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. These are obtained by the plants and animals. But in case of inorganic compound, those elements which contain any two or more element out of 118 element, as none so far. Now the second type of matter classification is mixture. What do you mean by mixture? Mixture is made up of two or more substances which mix together in any ratio, like air, milk, tea, etc. A mixture can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. First homogeneous, second heterogeneous. Homo means same, means a mixture having a uniform composition, that is called as homogeneous mixture. Like you take water in a beaker or a glass and add some salt in it. After dissolving salt into the water, its composition become uniform. Same example is sugar solution. It is also a homogeneous mixture. But heterogeneous mixture means composition is not uniform and different components can be easily observed, like the mixture of salt and sugar. You observe easily the salt particles and sugar particles. Colloidal solution like starch solution. Alloy, like alloy is the mixture of two or more metals, or you can say that one metal and one non-metal. So alloy like brass is the example of alloy, which is made up of zinc and copper. So all these are homogeneous mixture. Now the next topic is interconversion of three states of matter. First, solid, liquid and gas. Here we take the example of water. Water exists in three states: ice as in solid form, water present in liquid form, and water vapor as in gas form. When a solid convert into liquid, then this process is called as melting, or you can see that fusion. Liquid changes into gas by the process of evaporation. And again gas changes into liquid, that is the process of condensation. It is done by cooling. Liquid changes into solid by the process of freezing, means cooling. And a solid directly converted into gas without going into liquid state, this process is called as sublimation. Now next, gas again changes into solid without going into liquid state. This process is also called sublimation. Means a gas is converted into solid and solid is converted into gas by the help of sublimation process. So this diagram shows the interconversion of three states of matter with each other. Now the next topic is unit of measurement. First of all, how will you define the unit? Unit is a standard of reference chosen to measure the physical quantity. What do you mean by physical quantity? Several properties of matter like the length, area, volume, etc. that are quantitative in nature. So all these are physical quantity. To measure these physical quantity, a standard form is chosen. This form is called as unit. Each physical quantity is represented by a number, followed by the unit in which it is measured. Here I will take one example. Suppose the length of pen is 10 centimeter. Here 10 is a number and centimeter denote in which the unit length is measured. Nowadays, SI unit is most important. SI means International System of Units. Units are of two types: fundamental units, second is derived units. Here we will discuss one by one. First, fundamental units. In this system, there are 7 basic units, and these units are independent, means they cannot be derived from any other unit. So these are called as fundamental unit, like this. These are the fundamental units like length, symbol L, name of SI unit, that is meter, symbol M. Second base physical quantity is mass, symbol M, name kilogram, symbol kg. Next physical quantity, third time, symbol T, name of SI unit second, symbol S. Electric current I, Unit is ampere. Symbol is A. Temperature, T, capital T. Name of SI unit Kelvin. Symbol K. Sixth is amount of substance. Symbol N. Name of SI unit mole. Symbol MOL. Next, seventh is luminous intensity. Symbol IV. Its unit is candela. Symbol CD. All these are 7 basic fundamental units. Now the second type of unit is derived unit. Means other physical quantity like speed, volume, density, velocity, area that can be derived from the above fundamental units. So these units is called as derived unit. Like this. Area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Its unit is meter square. Symbol is m2, m square. Next, volume. Length into breadth into height. Unit is cubic meter, meter cube. Next is density. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is represented by kilogram and volume is cubic meter. Then kg per meter cube. Velocity is equal to distance by time, means meter per second. Distance is measured in meter, time is measured in second, meter per second. Its unit is m per second, meter per second. All these are derived units. Other units are also having like force, pressure, work and energy, frequency, electric charge, etc. Thank you.